replacing national symbols on country flags with the Argentine sun. So let's start from the flag of Japan. Then we have the flag of Israel. Then the flag of Lebanon. Then Taiwan. Now the flag of Tonga. Then Brazil. Then the flag of Mexico. The flag of Palau. Then the flag of Sri Lanka with the Argentine sun. Then the flag of North Korea. Then the flag of Montenegro. The flag of Morocco. Then the flag of Canada. Then the flag of Vietnam. Then the flag of Bhutan. The flag of Barbados. Now the flag of Aruba. And then the flag of St. Vincent. Then the flag of Dominica. The flag of Bangladesh. And then Liberia. Then the flag of Rwanda. Then Tajikistan. The flag of United States. And then the flag of Lesotho. The flag of Egypt. Then the flag of Zambia. Then the flag of Liechtenstein. The flag of Cambodia. Then the flag of China. And finally we have the flag of Oman with Argentine sun.